how to activate your L.L.Bean Mastercard account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Activate L.L.Bean Mastercard and tap on the option that says L.L.Bean Mastercard. You will then be led to the official webpage of L.L.Bean Mastercard. Now, tap on the Login button and log into the account firstly in order to move forward with the process of Mastercard activation. Now, enter your login credentials, that is your email and your password, and log yourself in to the account. And if you do not have an account yet, tap on the Create Account option and enter your first name, last name, email, and password and tap on the Create Account button, and with this your account will be created. Once created, you are logged in. Now, find Activate the Card button and type in your card number, 3-digit security code, your social security number, and confirm your information in order to activate your L.L.Bean Mastercard online. So this is how you can activate your L.L.Bean Mastercard. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.